Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be creating OUs for this domain that was added to this computer earlier. Remember, CompTIA Server. So we click on CompTIA Server and then you go to CompTIA. You actually double click CompTIA and it's going to come up with this pane. Now while you are in this pane, go to Tools on the top right corner, click on Tools and go to Active Directory Users and Computers. Click on it. It's going to come up with this pane. Locate compnet.local. You click on it, and after clicking on it, we are going to go ahead and add all of these. All of these OUs will be created in compnet.local. So let's create. Alright, so the name for the first one is accounting. So go ahead and type in accounting. Click OK. Now accounting is created. Now if you go ahead and click this again, this create, it's going to create the next folder or the next OUs inside of accounting. So after creating, you must go back and click on compnet.local. So let's click on compnet.local. Alright, so we go ahead and add again. The next thing we're adding is admins. So we go ahead, click compnet.local again. Go ahead and type in marketing. So go ahead and click compnet.local again, and then we are creating research there. Research dash there. So we'll go ahead and click compnet.local, otherwise the folder will be created inside another organization. So we add, what are we adding? Sales. And then we click compnet.local. What are we adding this time around? We're adding servers. Click on compnet.local again so that we can add support. Alright, so we click on compnet.local, create, and then what we're creating now is workstation. Enter, and then I think that is all for the first task. The second task wants us to create the following OUs in the sales container: sales manager, temp, sales. So let's look at sales. This is sales. We click on it and then we go to add. So whatever we are adding now will be added inside the sales container. So we are adding sales manager. All together, no space between them. Manager. And the next thing we're adding, still under sales, you have to click on sales. If you do not click on sales and you go ahead and click on this create,